Hi traders, today is 19 February 2019. So we are now live trading for crude oil futures market. So the market did make a huge price movement during the US trading session. So at this moment, we are just about 2 minutes entering US session. So you can see my local time now is 10 p.m., 10 to p.m. And it's quite clear that the market made a good bearish movement. So we are around 400 US dollar in profit. So the market still keep going down. So there is a potential of a downward movement, maybe till this looks huge. So let's take a look if we can find any good support somewhere there. I'm not sure today, but this one there's a long red candle. Okay, so I guess it's a good thing to exit the market now. So we are 500 US dollar. So let's take a look where the market will bring us to. So now 520 US dollar. Keep growing. 400, 540. Because I'm still targeting for the price to go below 5600. So there's a large volume queue at 55.93, 55.92, and 55.90. It's very interesting that the market will go further down. Maybe until 55.90. This is one huge red candle. So still profit now is 660. I guess I will exit my position at 680. Okay, just exit my position at 55.93. So it's quite good because this means the profit is around, let's take a look, 680 US dollar in profit for a quick few minutes US trading session setup. So this means during US trade session, so I just go for short sell. And okay, looks like the price tries to reverse back, but at this moment we already exit the market and I'm profiting around 680 US dollar. And this is the good trading signal which is appears since today evening during London session. Yes, true, during London session 56.29 is quite a good place to enter the market. So this is where I'm exit. So you can see it's 680 US dollar in profit for a quick maybe around 5 to 7 minutes trading session, 5 to 7 minutes time. So now the market tried to move further down, so now reaching 55.81. So you can see whether there is a larger volume waiting down there. There is 55.60. Okay, it's quite interesting. Market might have a good strong bearish movement at this moment. My signal from London session still valid, although hit stop loss, but try to re-enter again during US session. So it's very nice. This one is a quick profit activity, but the market keep going down, so this is very strong. It's very strong. So let's take a look on the smaller time frame. I think this one is already small time frame, around 15 minutes. So you can see since from this evening the market tried to move on the sideways movement, but on the sideways bullish movement. So the yellow line is above VWAP area, so the price already crossed the VWAP and tried to pull back another new high and also a new low at the same time, then another new high, then suddenly break out to the downside. So you can see that it breaks through this nearest low and also the a view outline and keep continuing down until this moment. So this is quite long, I mean it's quite huge candle here, you can see, and this is 15 minutes time frame. So since the beginning of US trading session, the market opened at around 56.22, and now is around 55.72, should be around 70 ticks. Price movement of this candle 70 or 80 ticks, so should be around 70. Oh, this one is quite huge. Now the market try to reverse back because profit taking activity, and I'm expecting for the traders to return back or to gain profit. Most likely all will gain profit at this moment. Okay, now we go back to 55.80, 79, so there will be another nearest high volume. You can see not on the upper side, so I guess the bearish still strong. This is just the beginning of US trading session. So okay, just now we just mentioned 55.60 will be the next highest number, so 55.64, so the highest the nearest high of the volume, so around 100 plus 111. Now price is around 55.83, so there's also high Q waiting at 55.83. Maybe this one people traders try to take profit because they saw the price try to reverse back. Could be that's the reason. So hopefully there will be another opportunity late tonight for a reversal, or maybe a quick pullback, or maybe the market will go sideways. So it is still not clear where the direction on the market at this moment, because the market already moved in a big huge price movement suddenly. And so let's see, because it is too early for US session. We are just about 9 minutes entering US session. So you can see here Chicago time 9 minutes after 8, so that's been 9 minutes entering US session. So we already profit, and most of the trader already taking doing profit taking activity at this moment. Some already enter short sell during London session. Well, it's a good thing to see everyone happy at this moment and have more money and taking profit at the same time. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because there will be a lot of live trading video I'm sharing, and perhaps in future we share also more technical video, how about teaching about the technique or about the setup. So this is a typical setup I made for myself, but for trading futures crude oil market. And there's also a link for live trading signal. You can join the Telegram channel. There's a link in the description box. Feel free to it and like and share this video. Also, there's also a subscribe button. Please click, and the bell button for notification. So thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.